welcome to the Ryk and Dad channel. The last time we seen you, we had a corridor. And we mentioned we had a bit of a surprise. So the surprise is wall go. We'll be doing that on today and screen. Okay, here we've got wall go. You can have 2 or 4 players.
Yeah.
The idea of the game is to trap your enemy inside the walls and to make sure that you have the most territory left at the end of the map.
So at the end of the game, I'm just going to draw this. Everybody should be boxed in, and whoever has the most points, which is more land in their box. You're not trying to get boxed, but whoever has more land in their box that someone captures wins. So red would win here, see, because all of the rest only have 1 box.
Yep, and as we're playing, we can sort of discuss a little bit more.
Yeah.
The walls around the end of the map, like the edges of
This stuff.
let me start again. The edges of the map are classed as a wall.
All of this stuff around here is a wall.
You always have to put 1 wall out every turn, no matter if you move or if you just sort of stay in the same spot.
Okay, let's start playing.
Let's begin. Okay.
Okay,
So
I start.
how do you know,
I
like
start.
Before we start, how do you know whose turn it is on the app?
There's a little line right here. I'll draw an arrow for you. Right here. See that little line
Yep.
shining?
On the edge of the map. Yeah, all the way around the edge of the map. It's a certain colour, so it would be. It's actually red now, so that means Ryk gets to put his first piece down.
Yeah, and red always starts in this app thing. Okay, where should I place it? I don't know. Yeah.
Okay.
Your turn. I see what you're trying to do.
Wow.
Oh no, I did your turn.
That's not good. Well,
Sometimes
I'm going to
we
do
do
your turn for you then.
Yeah. Sometimes we do that because we think it's red, blue, but like at the beginning it's red, blue, red.
So we got to keep looking around the edges to see
Yeah.
whose turn it is.
We only once we played, one time only in our lives, we played wall goal and we actually did it properly with doing red, blue, red.
Well, yeah, we didn't know that.
Yeah, we were doing like a practice.
How it starts.
Yeah, we were doing a practice for this video. Anyway, it's my turn.
Yeah.
Where should I go?
So just explain. So like what I will explain is you've got 4 pieces each, and you can move any of those pieces 1 or 2 spaces, but you have to drop a wall at the end of your turn. So which piece would you like to move, right?
So what I'm gonna do is do this, and I'll probably block that guy.
Feels like you're trying to box me in over there.
I immediately get to block boxing. You're not even caring about him. You forget about that guy.
Oh, no, I'm about to block you in now.
He's literally dying. No. I don't know. I'm dead.
Well, that's really cool for me because
Oh, but I got 5 points.
you got 5 points for that
Look,
one piece.
right there.
Yeah. Well done.
Okay. Why am I so quiet?
Are you coming after my first?
Yep.
Maybe I'll block you instead. And as you can see, you can't jump over walls, or you can't go diagonal, or you can't jump over pieces.
No, you can go. No, you can't. Wait. You can, just a tiny bit. Not that much. It's more of going like, it's
Well,
just random.
That's 2 moves.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's sort of, yeah.
It's just really confusing
Can go
how they
diagonal
move.
if you move 2.
We don't even know.
Yeah. Hey, what are you doing in my area?
Killing you.
I don't think you should be in my area.
Oh, you're the only one that says that.
Oh, yeah. You put yourself in a box for no reason, right?
No!
Yay!
No, it's more of a yay for me.
Well, you got 9.
I
You got 9
literally got
squares.
9.
Okay, cool.
I spelled 9 backwards. It doesn't matter. I spelled 9 backwards. Anyway, I'm trying to be careful since what happened. What happened?
Yeah.
I'm dead. Bye bye.
Oh, lock yourself in, but all right.
I'm getting all the points from dying.
You
That's
have
not
all,
good.
You do have all the points. So
That's
currently
not
you're winning.
That's not good though.
You're currently winning.
Because you're the one killing me. Why am I saying oh Dad? I'm literally
Going over.
dead.
And
Oh, I did that by accident.
so as you can see, blue's got 22 squares
I'm
of
doing that.
territory, and red's got 14. So basically you need to trap your opponents and get as much territory as possible. It's a very fun game.
Yeah, it's not done yet. I just undid that because I did something by accident. I just slipped.
It's not finished yet. I thought it is.
No.
Oh.
Because everybody needs to be captured.
Oh, okay. I thought it was that whole area was done.
Oh, I'm dead. Bye.
Okay,
I always win these games. I only won like twice.
so you're pretty good at corridor. You beat me twice on this.
Yeah, like, yeah.
So 2 out of 8 maybe. But you're not too bad.
You played like,
Not too bad.
we barely play this game really. Because we always have like other things to do.
But it is
Like
fun.
Portal.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is really fun still.
It is fun. And we thank you for joining us.
Like Dad, did you say the link was in the description?
Yeah, we'll put the link in the description so anyone who would like to come and play, definitely log in and have a go.
Yeah, whenever I watch videos, I don't know where the description is. I just learned like probably 5 days ago. You go in near the comments, right on top of it, it says like the date and stuff. You click on that and then you would scroll down and see a blue thing with random
The link.
dots and stuff. Yeah, it's like a link. It's highlighted blue and click on that and then you would hop in there.
And guess what?
What?
You're going to edit this video yourself, aren't you?
So, at this point, you just heard my dad say I'm gonna be editing this video, and my mom has been editing all our videos, so she just gave me a few steps on like how to add all the icons. Yep.
Yeah, so we look forward to seeing your magical editing. What's your first real edit for the video?
Yeah,
You've done your own ones previously, but this is the first YouTube edit.
All of them are deleted, sadly.
Well, hey, upwards and onwards.
I'm gonna keep that in the video.
Okay,
That's funny.
very cool. All right, bye.